हमने थोड़ा बहुत काम शुरू किया है। पिछले 8-10 सालों में हमने कुछ काम किए हैं और मेरा काम ज़्यादातर वाटर क्वालिटी को लेके रहा है। और जहाँ तक आपको पता होगा कि आर्सेनिक की प्रॉब्लम को काफ़ी बड़े लेवल पे देखा गया है कंट्री में, और कहीं ना कहीं इसकी ओरिजिन को माना गया है, हिमालय के साथ जोड़ा गया है। तो हमने कुछ काम किया है उस पर, और मैं उसमें आपको जो चीज़ दिखाऊंगा वो बेसिकली हमने कम्युनिटीज़ के साथ मिलके कैसे इस प्रॉब्लम का सलूशन निकाला है, जहाँ पे हमें बहुत ज़्यादा पैसे लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। सिर्फ कम्युनिटीज़ को आप अवेयर करें या मोटिवेट करें तो उससे क्या क्या फ़र्क आ सकता है। क्योंकि कुछ चीज़ें जो थी वो काफ़ी कुछ साइंटिफिक तौर पे प्रोफेसर डिमरी ने आपको दिखाया है, थोड़ा बहुत हमारा उस पर काम है, अभी शुरुआती दौर का काम है। लेकिन मैं ज़्यादा फोकस करूँगा कि कम्युनिटीज़ की हेल्प से क्या बदलाव लाया जा सकता है वाटर रिसोर्सेज में। सो अगर आप देखें तो आज की डेट में, इफ़ यू सी, दिस इज़ व्हाट द आर्सेनिक contamination looks like in entire India. So whatever you see, the red patches which are there, they are basically most highly dense populated states in India, and they are all consuming somewhere water which is more or less contaminated with arsenic. What we did was, we tried to figure out this in state of Bihar. And when we try to see the implications of this kind of contaminant in water, how is it impacting the life of people, you'll see that it initially starts with a sort of skin lesion kind of problem, but it certainly gets developed into skin cancer. And we have tried to monitor few cases, few individuals for last 10 years, and the individuals who were advised not to drink those kind of water, they kept on consuming that water. And as on date, because we are also in touch with Mahavir Cancer Hospital in Patna, so the family member who was consuming that water, his limbs were amputated last year just because it had resulted into cancer. It is also a problem for women which are pregnant. So most of the time, women consuming this kind of water gets a kind of premature delivery. And apart from that, there have been a lot of other cases in terms of mental retardation of kids. And those, when you try to express these things to the individuals in the village, they are not very much bothered about until and unless they link up this problem with the health. So what we did was, we started with a small arsenic testing kits which could be used by any person within the village, and we started developing this kind of maps for the villages. So what you see here is basically the red dots are hand pumps used by the villagers which are having contaminated water, whereas blue dots or green dots are water which are having less arsenic contamination. So what we did was, we started with the intervention that Bihar government did in this Gangetic plain, and they started with a 80 crore plant for supplying river Ganges water directly to the households in the villages. So when we visited the plant, we see that it's not functional, and the pipelines that were laid to supply this water to villages, they were all gone, taken away by the villagers, sold out in the market. So actually the intent was to give them best quality water, but the problem was this kind of intervention did not result into a kind of output that was wanted. So what we did was, we selected 26 villages. We assigned, what you see, three initial characters of the villages are the village names, and the numbers which are indicated, we assigned those many rupees to be asked from the village or household for testing of water. So apart from that, when we did that kind of testing, we went to the villages with Google Earth maps. We tried to show them to the villagers so that they can read the map, and the intent of reading this kind of map was to let them know which is the nearest blue well or safe well nearby their households if they are having high arsenic hand pump. So after this kind of campaign, we did it for 2 years, initially 2 years, then we were again funded for the same project. So we tried to continue this project for almost 5 years with different kind of awareness campaigns, different types of say visuals which could make people learn to move to safer sources. So this is how it looked like, the entire village. You see red pie, red quarter of the pie, as well as blue and green quarter. There are gray quarters, which also tells us that there were certain number of households which were not interested in getting their water tested, even after telling them that this is going to be sort of the symptoms that might develop in terms of your public health. So what we did was, we started to develop this survey for almost 3-4 years, and what we have observed over this 5 years is that the households which were found to be having red hand pumps, that is high arsenic hand pumps, and we were initially tagging these hand pumps using metal plates. So most of the households which were having this red metal plates, they tried to hide those kind of results just to avoid the social stigma in the society. And to tell you a fact, that most of the villages in West Bengal or Bihar which have been found to have more of arsenic concentration in their water, those kind of villages have been outcasted from the society. Nobody tries to marry their son or children in those kind of villages. So this was the kind of intervention we tried to develop, educating people, trying to tell them you don't require a lot of investment, you just need to be aware of the symptoms, and you just need to be knowing which are nearby safe wells to fetch water from those wells. आप जाके वहाँ से पानी ले सकते हैं आराम से, क्योंकि आपको पानी पीने के लिए 1-2 बाल्टी चाहिए होगा, और उसी से सारी प्रॉब्लम डेवलप हो रही है जो पीने का पानी है. So that's it, and based on this what we have done is we have advised Bihar government. A policy has been framed based on the results. What we have observed is बड़ी इन्वेस्टमेंट, बड़ी पाइप्ड वाटर सप्लाई स्कीम्स, बड़ी फिल्ट्रेशन यूनिट्स लगाने से बेटर है कि जो भी छोटे से छोटे अमाउंट में आप लोगों को अवेयर कर सकें, उस तरह के इंटरवेंशंस ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड, जिस भी देश में ये आर्सेनिक की प्रॉब्लम पाई गई है उसमें ये पाया गया कि स्विचिंग ऑफ दीज वेल्स, स्विचिंग ऑफ